In this video, I'm going to show you how you can build and customize a product page for your Shopify store, but all inside of Framer. My name's Ryan from Insert Frame. Let's get started. So first things first, you want to make sure that you've got your Shopify store connected to the Framer CMS via the Frameship plugin. Next, we can actually go ahead and make sure we've got a product page set up. Now, I've done this by actually going to a new page and creating a new CMS page for my collection, which is called My Store. And I've created a detail page here. But as you can tell, this isn't actually linked to any of my content. So let's go ahead and do that now. So I can select any element on the canvas here. And you'll notice on the properties panel, we have these little pluses. This essentially means we can tie that content to my CMS collection, aka my Shopify data. So for example here, I could change my title here, which is just a text field, and set the variable to be the title. And now you'll notice that's dynamically pulling from my CMS collection. I can do the same with the images here, so I'm just gonna make sure I tie this to my CMS. And again, if I switch the page here, you'll notice all of that content is pulling across. Now you can pull in any of the data that's synced here in your CMS. So as you can see, there's quite a lot to play with, from your descriptions to your images. It really is just like building any other Framer site. But we can go a step further here and add some extra functionality. For example, there's no way to actually add this product to my cart or even check out. So if we go to the plugins tab here and open the Frameship plugin and navigate to the components library, you'll notice a bunch of sections and components that we can drag and drop into our website to add that extra functionality. For example, if we want to display the price, I can just drag and drop the price component here. And then I can select this component and then I can set all the information here. So I'm going to set this variable to be the Shopify data so it links correctly. And I've got a bunch more controls down here as well, from the actual settings of how to display this all the way to the type and color. Even if I wanted to show a compare at price, so maybe this product is currently on sale, then I could do that here. I could drag in a quantity input. So if people want to buy multiple of my shirt here, I could do that just like so. And again, we just need to make sure that all of these components are correctly hooked up. And all the components by Frameship are super customizable, as you can see here. So lastly, let's add a add to cart button. Let's set the width of this to be 100%. And let's make the height a little bit bigger as well. And then again, we just need to set up this component. So first things first, I'm going to connect my Shopify data to, well, my Shopify data, and then tweak any styling settings I want here. We can even show a stock label, which will dynamically pull how many items of this product is left in stock, or even a variant selector. So say if I wanted someone to select this t-shirt in a small, medium, large, or XL, they could do that directly from the UI as well. But for now, let's just add one more component, which will be our buy now button. So again, I'm just gonna change the styling of this. Okay, great. So let's preview this and give it a shot. So as you can see, all my content is pulling dynamically. I can switch my images just like so. And that's how you can build a dynamic product page in Framer that's connected to Shopify.